Good evening, animal science fans. I just wanted to jump on tonight and give you a quick introduction of Google Classroom and how to navigate through Google Classroom this year because most of the time your assignments, your resources, anything and everything that you may need will be on Google Classroom. So what you're seeing here is what the stream would possibly look like. And since we've already started to add some stuff to the stream, this will definitely be a lot more robust as the time goes on. But I will post announcements. If you see a little clipboard indication, that'll be the assignment, and you'll simply click on it, and you will have the assignment here. You'll see how many points it is worth. If you need to add a private comment, this will go directly to me. This will go to nobody else. The class comment that you see at the bottom will go to everybody else. So just a reminder that you need to probably check which comment you're posting into just to make sure that a private comment doesn't become a class comment and vice versa. So if you want to add or create an assignment, you'll simply click here and you can add it from your Google Drive. You can add a link, you can add a file, or you can simply create a document already in here. With the file, you will obviously be uploading from your computer, such as this. And then once you've turned it in, you can mark as done. And then we'll take you back here. If you see this little icon, that means that it's just materials for you to use. So in this circumstance, this would be one of our PowerPoints that we're using, and you can click on it and reference the PowerPoint we'll be using for that lecture. I also might upload articles, just other websites, other resources that'll fall under this category to help you guys throughout the school year. We'll have announcements, you can see that, and you can add a class comment to set announcements. Another really quick way to find out what you're doing is classwork, and I will organize it under each topic and it'll be uploaded there. So most likely our next topic will be going into our beef unit. So we'll have content under the beef unit. I also want to direct you to the Google chat form that we'll have going, or Google Workspace. Obviously nothing here is posted yet because we haven't started a post, but this will be a place for you to collaborate with your fellow students if you have any questions or concerns about an assignment. And for some reason you just can't get a hold of me that night or during the day, this is a great place to just touch base with everybody else and see what they're doing. So I have given you the opportunity for that. The due dates, you'll see that if there's anything coming up, you can check over there. I have the due dates already assigned for you. And you'll be able to see your classmates. So you can see that we don't have any classmates in here right yet, but you will have classmates. Another really great thing is that you can still access all your Google Apps from Drive, so take advantage of that. And of course, if you have any questions or concerns moving forward, feel free to email me or touch base with me in class, but I hope that this quick tutorial kind of just gave you an overview of what to expect with the classroom and what to expect for the year. So have a great night.